Hello, welcome parents to the ESOL Virtual Math Hour. You have selected the Angles and Symmetry Math Can tutorial in English. Parents, please use this as a tutorial on how to use your math cans in whichever grade level or math topic you have selected for your child. Inside your Angles and Symmetry math can, you will find 25 question cards, a protractor, an angle card, an attribute card, 12 symmetry shapes, 7 attribute label cards, and a dry erase marker. Let's begin.
On the top of each question card, there are images of the tools you need to use to help your child solve the problem. On this card, it says to use the attribute card, the attribute label cards, and the shapes.
On the bottom of the card is the math question. On this card, it says to place the right angle label card in your work area and then find all the shapes that has a right angle. Ask your child how can they measure the angles to check. You can use the protractor to measure a 90-degree angle. For this next activity, the card says to use all the shapes and a dry erase marker. The instruction says to draw lines of symmetry on each shape to find which shape has no lines of symmetry. On the back of each card, you can find the answer to the math question. Have your child draw all the lines of symmetry of each shape and explain why the obtuse triangle isn't symmetrical. For the next activity, it says to use the protractor, attribute card, and angle card. The instruction says to look on the angle card side 1, find the angle DBA. The angle of DBA measures 30 degrees. You can check using the protractor. The card asks what is the measurement of angle DBC. You can measure angles using the protractor. Using the attribute card, ask your child what type of angle it is. You can practice measuring angles with your child, choosing any other 3 points. Keep up the great work. Feel free to continue to use this tutorial as a guide for the other math topics.